Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So, quick question. How many of you have looked at your pool after a couple rainy days and thought, nope, not dealing with that today? Well, I was one of you, until this little beast showed up. This is the WYBOT C1. It's cordless, it's smart, and apparently, it's supposed to clean your entire pool. Floors, walls, stairs, even water lines. Sounds amazing, right? But the real question is, can it actually pull it off? Or is it just another pool robot with big promises and no hustle? Let's find out. Alright, straight out of the box, here's what you get. The robot itself, a charger, a float kit, a hook for retrieval, a quick start guide, and a full manual. Pretty standard stuff, except the float kit. That's interesting. That's in case your pool walls are super slick, like tile or glass, and the robot needs a little help climbing. More on that later. Oh, and this thing? It's got triple motors. Yes, 3. Which means it's built to climb 45-degree slopes. I don't know about you, but that's steeper than the hill behind my cousin's house. Charging was easy. There's a little clear cap on the charging port. Pop it open, plug it in, wait for the light to go solid green, and boom, fully charged. The first charge took me about an hour and a half. After a full run, it took around 3 hours to recharge. And by full run, I mean up to 150 minutes of non-stop cleaning. That's 2.5 hours, cordless. Now here's where it gets fun. The WYBOT C1 connects to your phone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once paired, the app asks you all sorts of questions. Pool shape, surface type, depth, you name it. You basically teach it what your pool looks like, and it builds a plan. You can pick modes like floor only, wall and floor, or go all in with full pool. There's even a weekly schedule mode and a crazy detailed expert mode where you tell it exactly how to move. Like, this robot has routes, actual mapped routes. Okay, so the big test. It had been raining for days. My pool looked like a swamp. Leaves, bugs, some mystery fuzz, even what looked like a caterpillar and, I kid you not, a salamander. I turned on the C1, held the power button till the light turned blue, and in it went. Instantly, it came to life. Little jets shooting water out the top, already carving out a clean trail through the muck. I stood there like, okay, we might have something here. So I filmed it from above and underwater. You have to see this thing move. It didn't get stuck on the drain. It climbed halfway up the stairs, and it went up my pool wall like a lizard chasing a fly. Now, I did have the float kit attached at first, but it kind of made the front end behave weird. So I pulled that piece off and, boom, performance improved instantly. Turns out this thing's heavier than other pool bots, which is probably why it climbs better in the first place. After 2 hours, it parked itself in the corner. Yep, just sat there, waiting for me to come get it. So I grabbed the included hook, pulled it out, popped the lid, and, yep, a full tray of gunk, dirt, leaves, twigs, and that same chunky caterpillar-looking thing. One rinse with a garden hose, and it was like new again. No mess, no tools, just spray and slide the tray back in. So, does the WYBOT C1 really clean your entire pool? From what I saw, yes, it does. It handled my in-ground pool. It climbed walls without complaining. It cleaned the stairs, skipped the drain trap, and didn't just roll around randomly. It picked up fine dirt, leaves, bugs, and even some rocks. Rocks? Is it perfect? Not exactly. If your pool has ultra-slick walls, you might need to use the float kit, and even then, you'll probably need to tweak it. The app could use a little polish. It works. But the UI feels like it was made by someone who doesn't own a pool. Still, it gets the job done. But here's the kicker. It has the best warranty I've seen yet. 2 years, plus a 30-day no-questions-asked return window. Most pool bots don't even come close. Look, if you're tired of playing lifeguard to bugs, leaves, and soggy worms, this thing is worth it. And for the price, it punches way above its weight class. I've tested a few of these cordless robots, and the C1 stands out. Real suction, real cleaning, and no drama. So yeah, The WYBOT C1 isn't just some flashy toy. It's a legit workhorse that saved me hours of skimming, scrubbing, and scooping. Alright, if you want to check it out, I'll drop a link in the description and the pinned comment. And if you've used this bot, or any others, drop your thoughts below. I love hearing real stories. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you're into honest, no-fluff tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Hopefully poolside, with no salamanders.